This is an important opportunity for the community of South Texas and Brownsville area to come together to help shed light on some really important issues. College and career readiness, or leadership development, health and wellness, identity and brotherhood. Those are the 5 themes that undergird this entire event.
They're giving personal feedback of the things that they experience. We're not the only ones experiencing it. Like, they've gone through it. I'm able to relate to that. Yeah.
I've been very interested in the presentations that we've heard, and I'm just trying to learn as much as possible from it.
So this regional summit down here in South Texas, I think, is really just goes to show what an important institutional leader TSC is for this region, both on this issue focused on men of color, but more broadly speaking on the larger challenges facing the overarching academic success of all of our communities.